Imagine this. You're baking your favorite meal. The aroma fills your kitchen, but as you peek through the oven door, you can't even see your food. Layers of grease, brown stains, cloudy glass, and every time you open that door, it's like facing a burnt history of dinners past. You've probably tried scrubbing before, sponges, sprays, even blades, but somehow the grime always wins. What if I told you there's a way to clean your oven door, completely spotless, without any scrubbing at all? Today, I'll show you the effortless, professional way to restore your oven door's shine, using simple ingredients you already have at home. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because I share practical, real-life home hacks that save time, money, and energy every week. The power of natural ingredients. Forget harsh oven cleaners that make your kitchen smell like chemicals. The secret to effortless cleaning lies in two simple ingredients: baking soda and white vinegar. Baking soda acts like a gentle abrasive that breaks down burnt-on grease, while vinegar's acidity dissolves the grime and leaves a clear shine. Together, they work like a natural cleaning reaction. No scratching, no strong odor, no risk to your glass surface. And the best part? It's completely hands-off. Once you apply it, the mixture does the work for you. Step 1. Cool down and prep the surface. First rule: never clean a hot oven. Wait until it's completely cool. A hot oven reacts poorly to vinegar and can create streaks or stains. Once it's cool, open the oven door fully and place a towel or newspaper underneath to catch any drips. Next, take a damp cloth and wipe away any loose crumbs or food bits. This makes sure your cleaning solution can focus only on the baked-on mess. It's like setting the stage before the main act. Quick, simple, but crucial. Step 2. The baking soda paste magic. Now it's time for the star of the show, your homemade cleaning paste. In a small bowl, mix 1/2 cup of baking soda with just enough water to create a smooth paste. You don't want it too watery. It should spread easily, but stay in place. Spread this paste all over the inside of your oven door glass, focusing on the brown or greasy areas. Use your fingers or a soft brush to apply it evenly. The goal is to cover every inch of grime. And now, here's the best part. Walk away. That's right. Let the paste sit for at least 30 minutes. For tough grime, 1 to 2 hours is even better. During this time, baking soda gently breaks down the stubborn grease, lifting it from the glass surface without you doing any scrubbing at all. Step 3. The vinegar reaction. Once your baking soda has done its job, grab a spray bottle filled with white vinegar. Spray it over the entire surface of the paste. Watch what happens. It starts to fizz and bubble. That reaction means it's working. The vinegar is dissolving the baking soda and cutting through layers of built-up grease. It's almost satisfying to watch, like a mini science experiment in your kitchen. Let it sit for another 10 minutes so the reaction can finish. This gentle chemical process will loosen even the toughest grime without you lifting a finger. Step 4. Wipe and reveal the shine. Now take a clean, damp microfiber cloth or sponge and start wiping away the residue. You'll be amazed. The grime just slides off effortlessly. There's no need for pressure, no need for force. The reaction has already done the heavy lifting for you. For any stubborn spots that remain, simply apply a bit more vinegar and wipe again. You'll notice how easily the glass transforms, from dull and stained to bright, clear, and reflective. Once it's clean, give it a final wipe with a dry microfiber towel to remove any streaks and restore that flawless shine. That's it. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, no stress. Just pure, effortless cleaning power. If this video helped you bring your oven door back to life, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I've got more home hacks coming your way every week that'll save you time, energy, and frustration. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Remember, you don't need to work harder to keep your home clean. You just need to clean smarter. Stay clever, stay calm, and keep your space shining. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.